katulad na lamang, for example, no, and this is not a shot against any particular agency in the government. After some time, imagine when we tackled the ending endo, after 3 years, may mga magsasalita na government agencies na ito yung position sila, etc. Parang after 3 years, parang, come on, let's talk about it during the hearings, let's talk about it during deliberations. Huwag naman yung after some time na na-deliberate natin lahat, naayos natin, na pag-aralan natin mabuti, tsaka tayo magsasalita. So, I think that's the beauty of deliberating and talking about this particular issue. Because hindi ito madali, hindi ito basta pwede natin sabihin na okay, let's just implement it. Hindi naman ganun kadali yun. So, we wanted to hear both sides.